name, age, nationality, hobbies, leisure, cognitive, reserve, dementia, psychology, intelligence, aging, attribute, shininess, heel, height, colorfulness, signage, linguistic, landscape, vocabulary, expressive, children, reading, writing, psychology, substitution, movement, assessment, stroke, rehabilitation, infants, African, American, families, discriminative, model, urban, policing, pragmatist, method, care, work, abstract, rules, situated, mobile, wearable, ubiquitous, learning, cloud,